In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a spreadsheet into Airtable. If you've got information living in Excel, a CSV file, or Google Sheets, this walkthrough will show you how to bring it into Airtable smoothly so it's ready to work with right away. Start by opening Airtable and either creating a new base or opening the one where you want your data to live. Think of the base as your project home. If you're unsure whether to start fresh or use an existing base, choose the option that keeps your data organized with any related tables you already have. Inside your base, look for the Add or Import option. This is the gateway to bringing in your spreadsheet. Click it, and you'll see choices for different file types. Next, select the type of spreadsheet you're importing. Choose Excel, Point XLSX, if you're using a standard workbook. CSV if your data is saved as plain, comma-separated values, or Google Sheets if your data lives online. A quick tip here. CSV is great for simplicity, but it doesn't carry formatting. Excel often preserves more structure. With Google Sheets, you may be asked to pick the exact sheet tab you want to import. Now upload your file. Browse your computer, select the spreadsheet, and confirm. If you chose Google Sheets, select the correct sheet and make sure you're pulling in the right tab if your document has more than one. Before importing, carefully review the fields. Airtable will preview how your spreadsheet columns will become fields in your table. Make sure column headers look clean and descriptive, and check that the primary field, the first column in the table, contains unique, identifying values like names, IDs, or titles. Verify that numbers are recognized as numbers, dates look like dates, and text stays as text. Consistent date formats, predictable number formatting, and clear headers help avoid surprises. If you see something off in the preview, it's easier to fix it in the spreadsheet and reselect the file than to clean up after the import. When everything looks right, click Import. Airtable will create your table and bring the data in based on the mapping you reviewed. Finally, verify the imported records. Scan the new table and make sure all rows and columns appear as expected. Check a few sample records for accuracy. Confirm the total record count matches your original sheet, and look for issues like truncated text, missing values, or numbers treated as text. If something doesn't look right, you can adjust your original spreadsheet and run the import again until it's perfect. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now in Airtable and ready to use. Thanks for watching.